Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Riley from Inside Out and Dress to Impress. For the hair, I just simply use this one in bangs only, and then this one in blonde 2 in this adjustment Z.55. Then for the ponytail, I just used this one, this long hair in default, positioned it at 0.67, Z.81. Scaled it all the way to 0.16. For the outfit, it is pretty simple. I did use a VIP item. Select these leggings in type 3. Then select these shoes and enable socks here and color the first two colors, well, the first three colors black. And then the last one, we are going to use this blue here for 86071. Grab the socks, toggle it to the feet option, and just color that white. Then for the shirt, we're just going to use this in like the no pattern in this color. Then just select this hoodie here and color it, well, just toggle it to the longer version and color it to this one. And that is it. That's how you can create Riley from Inside Out. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.